this video is from the topic circles, and the topic in this video I have taken to find the equation of tangents and normal. It is a little bit confusing topic and it always asks in the competitions, etc. Now we know the equations of circle are generally x square plus y square is equal to r square, and another form of the circle we have x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Okay, if we have to find the equation of tangent, clear? For this, the equation of tangent is x1 plus y1 is equal to r square. Just learn it. Just take x1, y1 is equal to r square. And here we have x1 plus y1 plus g x plus x1. Note it down. Plus f y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. I am going to explain this. Just remember this thing. So you notice that from here that in place of x square I have written x1. In place of y square y1. Okay. And r square and the c, which is the constant values, we just put these values as it is. Clear? Now for 2gx and for 2fy, what we write? For gx we just divide it by 2 and write only x plus x1. And similarly for 2fy we write f y plus y1. Now I am taking the questions one by one. Firstly, I tell you how to find the equations of tangent, and after that I will also tell you how will you find the equation of normal for any of the circle. Now I am taking the questions. For example, I have a question. Firstly, I have taken the equation of tangent for the simple equations, then for the general standard equation of the circle. For example, I have a question, find equation of tangent for circle x square plus y square is equals to, let it be 12, at point 1, 4. In this type of the question we have here, what is 1, 4? This is x1 and this is y1. Clear? And this is the value of r square. Now I just recall, I think it's very simple for you. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Then our equation of tangent is x1 plus y1 is equal to r square. Now we have the equation x square plus y square is equal to 12. So we have the equation of tangent x1 plus y1 is equal to 12. Now put the values of x1 and y1. So we have the equation 1 into xx plus 4y is equal to 12. So this is the required equation of tangent. Clear? Now from here we can also write the equation of the normal. Just see how we will write the equation of the normal when we have the equation of tangent and we have the points 1, 4. Now I am explaining you how will you find the equation of normal to a circle. Okay. For this, just use the method you studied earlier in class 10th. Whenever there is an equation of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the equation of normal for this line, you just put the coefficients here in this way, bx minus ay plus lambda is equal to 0, and then substituting the values of x and y, you can find easily the other equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line. As we know, tangents and normals are perpendicular to each other, so we use the same method here to find the equation of normal from the equation of the tangent. So we have equation of tangent in this case 4y is equal to 12 at the point 1, 4. Now I am going to find the equation of tangent for this equation of normal from the equation of the tangent. Clear? So as we see, we have the equation x plus 4y is equal to 12. So equation of normal is 4x minus y is equal to lambda. Now put the values of x and y here and find out the value of lambda. So we have 4 into 1 minus 4 is equal to lambda. So we have lambda is equal to 0. So simply equation of normal is 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. I am going to take one more question in order to explain it. Okay. For example, I have one more question. Find equation of tangent for circle x square plus y square is equals to 25 at minus 3, 4. Clear? I just take this question again to recap and make your concept more clear. Okay? So, you can proceed here. So, equation of tangent for this x1 plus y1 is equals to 25. I think you now understand why I write this. Now, putting the value of x1 and y1, we have minus 3 and 4. So, we have minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. So, this is the equation of tangent. This is equation of tangent. Clear? Now, I am going to find equation of normal. So, again, we just change the coefficients and signs. We have minus 4x and minus, this is plus, so I change it minus 3y is equal to lambda. Clear? Because tangents and normals are perpendicular to each other. Now putting the values minus 3 and 4, we have minus 4 minus 3 into 4 is equal to lambda. So we have 3 4s are 12, that is plus 12 minus 12 is equal to lambda. So lambda is equals to 0. So here the equation of normal is minus 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. Or you can also write it 4x is equal to minus 3y. Okay. I think you got the concept. Now I am proceeding to another concept of the general equations of the circle. Now we have the general form of equation of circle, and we have to find the equation of tangent and find the equation of normal for that circle passing through the point 5, 6. Now as I told you earlier, the equation of circle is minus 5x plus 2y minus 48 is equal to 0. We write in place of x square, that is x1, y square, y1, just note it down. 2gx, we write g x plus x1. 2fy, we write f y plus y1. Clear? Just note it down these terms. Okay. Now there's a point. Point given is 5, 6. Now I am going to solve the questions at this part of the blackboard. X square. Okay. Now, according to this format, equation of tangent is x(x1) y(y1) minus, it is 2gx and it is minus 5x. So comparing here, we have, just see, 2gx is equals to minus 5x. It gets cancelled. So value of g is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Okay, just don't do it in here. So it becomes minus 5 upon 2 x plus x1, then plus, compare it also, 2fy is equal to 2y. So we have value of f is equals to 1. So 1 y plus y1 minus 48 is equals to 0. Clear? Now put the values of x and y1 in the equation 5 and 6. So we have 5x plus 6y minus 5 upon 2 x plus 5 plus y plus 6 minus 48. Now solve it. We have 5x plus 6y minus 5x minus 25 over 2, then y plus 6 minus 48. Now we have the equation, multiply it with 2, 2 5s are 10x, 2 6s are 12y, minus 5x minus 25 plus 2y plus 12 minus 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 1 9. Now solve the equations. It is minus plus 5x, this is 14y, and this is 6 5 11, 12 minus 12, 11 is 9 0 1. So we have minus 109 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. Clear? Now we have to find the equation of the normal. Just take out the perpendicular line. That was the equation of the normal to the circle. Okay. From here, equation of normal is now equation of normal. For normal, we change the coefficient. 14 just come over here, 5 comes here. So we have 14x minus 5y plus lambda is equal to 0. Now put the values of 5 and 6 here. We have 14 into 5 minus 5 into 6 plus lambda is equal to 0. 14 5s are 70 minus 30 plus lambda is equal to 0. So value of lambda plus 40 is equal to 0. So value of lambda is minus 40. Now put the value in the equation. So we have the equation of normal. This is the equation of tangent. Now equation of normal is 14x minus 5y minus 40 is equal to 0. So I think it's clear to you how will you find the equation of tangent and how will you find the equation of the normal for the simple circles and for the standard forms of the equation of the circle. And I will take one more question regarding that. After that, I also told you how will you find the equation of chord and the equation of pair of tangents. Clear? So don't skip the video, just watch the whole video. Now the next pattern of the question in this series is, see on the blackboard, find equation of the tangent to a circle this which is parallel to line this. Now we have to find the equation of tangent which is parallel to another line. Okay, and the equation of the circle is given to us. You can understand this concept by in this way, that for example this is the equation of the circle, which is equal to this, and there is a line which goes like this, and equation of line is x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, and we have to find the equation of this line, and this line is parallel to this line. Clear? So we have to find the equation of this line. Now for example, this is the center of the circle. So distance from center of circle to this line is equal to the radius. That concept is used here in order to solve these types of questions. Now see how we solve these questions. Clear? Now that means the equation of tangent we have to find is parallel to this line, and the equation of line which is parallel to any line, for example there is a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and we have to find the equation of line parallel to above line is equal to ax plus by plus lambda is equal to 0, and we put the values of x and y and find the value of lambda, and after that we find the equation. Similarly here the equation of tangent is x plus 2y plus lambda is equal to 0 when we compare with this line. This is the clue. Now the next step, what you have to do in these questions, just find the center and radius of the given circle. Clear? Now our equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 4. So now here our center is 0, 0 and radius is 2, because this is equal to r square. Now clear? Now second step, as I told you earlier, the perpendicular distance from the center to this line is equal to radius. That means we have to equate the perpendicular distance is equal to radius of the circle. Now I am going to do that one. And how will you find the perpendicular distance? The formula for that is, I just memorize you, ax1 plus by1 plus c over under root a square plus b square. This is the formula for perpendicular distance. I think you remember it not. Okay. Now just proceed. A perpendicular distance from this line. So we put here value of x and y, that is 0 and 0. That is the value of center is put here. So we have 0 plus 2 into 0 plus lambda. We use this equation of tangent. Okay. Over under root a square plus b square. That means 1 here and 2 here. Under root 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to the radius. Radius is what? 2. Now solve the value of lambda. Lambda is under root 5 is equals to 2. So value of lambda is 2 under root 5. Now substitute this value of lambda in the equation of tangent. So we have the equation of tangent, x plus 2y plus 2 under root 5 is equal to 0. Okay. I am going to again explain you. When there is a question that there is an equation of circle and we have to find the equation of tangent which is parallel to any other line, find the radius and center from the equation of the circle, and also find the equation of line which is parallel to the given line by taking the lambda. Now put the values of the coordinates of center in this line and find the perpendicular distance and make it equal to the radius of the circle. After that you will got the values of lambda. Put that values of lambda in that equation. Ultimately you got the equation of tangent for the circle. Now this concept I am using again in case of general standard form equation of circle. Now again the question is for we have to find the equation of tangent to the circle, and here the equation of circle is the standard form of the circle, and also the equation of tangent is parallel to now this line. Okay. According to the previous question which I told you earlier, firstly find the equation of tangent using this line. Equation of tangent is equal to 4x plus 3y plus lambda is equal to 0. This is the first step. Okay. Now find the center and radius from this equation of the circle. Now our equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now center is minus g minus f. Now find out. We have 2gx is equal to minus 6x, 2fy is equal to 4. Clear? Now solve it. Value of g is equal to 6, that is value of g is 3. And value of f is equal to 2. So our center is minus g minus f. So minus 3 and minus 2. Clear? Now we have to find the value of radius. Just note it down. I just use that portion of the blackboard. Now radius of the circle, the formula for that is g square plus f square minus c. If you don't know the base of the circles, you can just also watch the videos of the circle. I also upload it on the playlist of the channel, and from there you can understand different concepts of circle. Now value of g is minus 3 square plus minus 2 square minus c, that is minus 12, that is minus 12. Clear? Now we have 9, 4 plus 12. Now we have 13 plus 12, that is 25, and our radius is now 5. Clear? Now we have to put the value of the coordinates of the center in the equation of the line, and we make it equal to the radius, that is the perpendicular distance is equals to radius of the circle. Next system. Now we put 4x plus 3y, that means 4 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 2 plus lambda over under root 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9 is equal to radius, that is 5. Clear? Now moving to the next portion, we have minus 12 minus 6 plus lambda, this is 25, then 5 we have, which is equal to 5. Here we have minus 18 plus lambda is equal to 25. So value of lambda is equal to 25 plus 18. So we have 13, 43. Value of lambda is 43. Now the equation of tangent is obvious. It's very easy. It becomes 4x plus 3y plus 43 is equal to 0. And now if it is asked to find the equation of normal, you can also find it from there. Okay? Okay, I am going to tell you again the equation of normal. Minus 3, minus 2 are the center of coordinates. Now if we have to find the equation of normal. I just again explaining you. Then the equation of normal becomes from this equation 3y plus 48 is equal to 0. Then equation of normal becomes 3x minus 4y plus lambda is equal to 0. Put the coordinates of the center here. We have 3 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 plus lambda is equal to 0. We are finding here the equation of normal. Clear? Now we have minus 9 plus 8 plus lambda is equal to 0. So lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1. So equation of normal becomes 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equation of normal. This is equation of tangent. In this way we can find the equations of tangent and normal. Now I am going to explain how will you find the equation of pair of tangents, and before pair of tangents I also explain you how will you find the length of the tangent. Okay. Now I am going to take the concept, how will you find the length of the tangent? With the help of this question, I am going to explain the concept, how will you find the length of a tangent? Clear? Find the equation and length of tangent from this point to the circle. I again take the equation of tangent question so that the concept must be clear to you. Now firstly, we find the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is x(x1) plus y(y1) minus 2x plus x1 minus 3y plus y1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? Now put the values 3 minus 4 here. 3x minus 4y minus 2 x plus 3 minus 3 y minus 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now solve it. We have 3x minus 4y minus 2x minus 6 minus 3y plus 12 plus 3. So we have this is x, here we have minus 7y and 15, that is 9. So this is the equation of tangent. Clear? Now we have to find the length of tangent. For length of tangent, just take the square root of the equation of the circle, putting the values of the coordinates. Okay, we just take the square of everything. Clear? We just write in this way and we got the length of the tangent. Now put the value of x and y, which is 3 and minus 4. 3 square 9, minus 4 16, minus 4 into 3, minus 6 into minus 4, then plus 3. This is the length of tangent. So this is 9 plus 16 minus 12 plus 24 plus 3. So we have 25 plus 27 minus 12. So now we have 25 plus 4, 5, 15. We have 0, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Under root 40. That means 2 under root 10. So this is the length of the tangent. That means how we find the length of tangent? We simply put the coordinates of x and y in the given equation of the circle and take the under root of that. Clear? Now I am proceeding to the next question. If we have to find the equation of pair of tangents for a given equation of the circle. Now come to the topic of the finding the equation of chords for the circle. Now I think that you must know this is the tangent for the circle and this is the chord for the circle. Now we have to find that how will you find the equation of this chord, okay, for the given circle. From this question we learned how we find the equation of the chord of any given circle. For equation of chord of circle, we have the formula T is equals to S1. Clear? So, what is the equation of tangent for this one? We have x square plus y square is equal to 8x. That means we have x square plus y square minus 8x is equal to 0. Now, equation of tangent is x(x1) plus y(y1) minus 4 divided by 2, that means compare it with 2gx is equal to minus 8x. So we have g is equal to minus 4. So I have written here minus 4 x plus x1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Clear? Now put the values of x1 and y1 as 4, 3. Now we have 4x plus 3y minus 4x plus 4. Clear? So now solve it. 4x plus 3y minus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. So we have equation of tangent 3y minus 16. Now this must be equal to S1. That means we have to put these values in this equation in order to find the S1. So now equation of tangent here is 3y minus 16. Clear? Now we have to find the equation of chord, which is equal to t is equal to S1. Now see how we do that. Equation of chord is t is equal to S1. Now we have to find the value of S1. For that we put these coordinates in the equation of the circle. That is x square plus y square minus 8x. Now we put the value 4 square plus 3 square minus 8 into 4. So we have 16 plus 9 minus 32. That is 25 minus 32. We have 7. Clear? Now put both of the values, tangent equation and value of s in this, and after that we get the equation of the chord for the circle. So at t we write 3y minus 16 is equal to 7. So 3y is equal to, which is minus 7. 3y is equal to minus 7 plus 16. 3y is equal to 9. That means y is equal to 3. So this is the equation of the chord, or we can write y minus 3 is equal to 0. In this way, just learn that to find the equation of chord of circle, we have to find t is equal to S1. Now I am going to explain to you how will you find the equation of the common chord of two circles. Now the next topic, as I told you, that find the equation of common chord of the two circles. That means there are two circles and a chord which is common to both the circles. We have to find the equation of that chord. For that we have the formula S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Just solve that and you will easily get the equation of common chord of the circle. Now these are the two circles, so we just subtract both of them. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. They are just formula based. If you know the formula, you can easily solve the questions of the circle. So just memorize all the formulas properly. So this is the formula for what? Equation of common chord. Write it in your notebook. Equation of common chord. Note it down. Clear? Now when we solve it, just change the signs so it get cancelled. We have x plus 5y plus 90. Simple. So this is the equation of the common chord. Now we have to find the equation of pair of tangents. That means if we draw in a circle and from a point outside the circle, if we draw tangents, then there are pair of tangents can be drawn from this point to the circle. So we have to, in this question, we have to find the pair of equations of the circle from any point, and this is the point 1, 4, and this is the equation of the circle. I think you have now the conceptual understanding of this question and what we have to do now and how will we find that. Just follow with me. Okay. Now for that we have a formula. For finding the equation of pair of tangents, we have the formula S1 is equal to t square, where S is the equation of circle. S is the equation of circle. S1 is the length of tangent and t is the equation of tangent. Just remember this one. S1 is equal to t square. Now we have S, that is equation of circle. This is this one. Now S1, that means we have to find the length of tangent. Now firstly find the length of tangent, which is equal to under root 1 and 4 put here, we have 1 square plus 4 square minus 16. So we have length of tangent 1 plus 4 fours are 16 minus 16, which is equal to 1. Clear? Now equation of tangent for this. We have x1 plus y1 minus 16 is equal to 0. Put the values. We have x plus 4y minus 16. So this is the equation of tangent. Now putting all the values in this equation, we easily got the equation of pair of tangents. Now do that. For that equation of tangent, I just write over here, value for S1 is 1. Equation of tangent is x plus 4y minus 16. Now, we just find the equation of pair of tangents. When pair of tangents are asked, then you find this. S1 is equal to t square. So, we have equation of circle x square plus y square minus 16 into 1 is equal to equation of tangent. We have x plus 4y minus 16 whole square. Now how will you solve this? I just explained to you for some guys who don't know. We have a formula a plus b plus c whole square. The answer for that, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now apply this formula in this one, you will easily get the answer. Clear? Now we are going to solve that. I want a blackboard, long blackboard. Okay, so now solve this. So we have x square plus y square minus 16 is equal to x square 16y square plus 256 square of every element. Now next one, 2 fours are 8x1. Clear? 8x1. Then minus 16 fours are 64. 64 into 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12. That means 128 1. Clear? Now 32x. Clear? Now just bring it over here. So it get cancelled. So we have 15y square plus 8xy minus 128y minus 32x minus 16 is here and 256 here. Then minus 16 goes here, it's get add up 256 plus 16. We have 12, 51617. That means 272 is equal to 0. Clear? In this way, we find the equation of pair of tangent. I will take another case. As I told you earlier how to find the equation of tangent, now I am going to explain you how will you find the angle between pair of tangents. That means our concept is like this, from this point two tangents are drawn to this circle, and now we have to find the angle between them. For this, firstly find the equation of pair of tangents, then we go for angle between the two tangents. For finding the equation of pair of tangents, we have to solve this formula. Now find out the value of S1 by putting the values of x and y in the equation. We have 4 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 4 minus 4 into 3 is equal to 0. So we have 16 plus 9 minus 8 minus 24. So we have 25, 4 3s are 12. We have 20, we have 5. So value of S1 here is 5. Now we have to find the value of T. That is the equation of tangent. Okay. By this method, we also find the equation of pair of tangents. Okay, when we have to find the equation of pair of tangents, I am finding the equation of pair of tangents for the circle. Firstly, for that you have to find S1 is equal to t square, where S1 I solve that and t is the equation of the tangent. Now I am going for finding the equation of tangent for this equation. So equation of tangent for this equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. So we have equation of tangent x1 y1 plus minus 1 x plus x1 plus minus 2 y plus y1 is equal to 0. Now put the values of 4 and 3, x and y in this equation. We have equation of tangent 4x plus 3y minus 1 x plus 4 minus 2 y plus 3. Now solve this one. We have solving this, we got the value 4x plus 3y minus x minus 4 minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. This I am solving for the equation of the tangent for the circle. Clear? So we have 3x minus plus y minus 10. So this is the equation of the tangent. Just write it here. 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now I am going to find the equation of pair of tangents for a circle. Equation of pair of tangents for the circle. Equation of pair of tangent. Because in order to solve the equation of in order to solve the angle between the tangents, you will have to find the equation of pair of tangents. So what is S? S is the whole equation. So I write it over here. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y. Multiply it with S1, that is with 5, is equals to square of the tangent, that is 3x plus y minus 10 whole square. You can elaborate it by using the formula a plus b plus c ka whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now I am using that formula. We multiply it 5x square 5y square minus 10x minus 21. Clear? Now elaborate it. 9x square y square 100. Clear? Now 2ab, that means 6xy 2bc minus 20y minus 2 3s are 16, the 60x. Clear? After elaborating, I got this. Now solve this equation. Just take it over there. We have 4x square. When it is gone there, this is minus 4y square. Then 100 as it is. 6xy as it is. Minus 20y. It get cancelled. 60x. It goes there. It comes minus 50x. Now how to find the angle between pair of tangents? That answer is the equation of pair of tangent. This answer is the equation of pair of tangent. Clear? This is the equation of pair of tangent. Now for finding the equation of angle, we have the formula tan theta is equal to 2 under root h square minus ab over a plus b. This is the angle between two lines, but the two tangents are also two lines. Okay, so same formula is used. So if we have, firstly you observe what is the value of a plus b. Now comparing with that, the value of a plus b, this is 5. No, yeah, 4. This is the value of a, this is the value of b. That is, here we have value of a is 4 and value of b is minus 4. So no matter whatever the value of this upon 0, that means tan theta becomes pi by 2. So angle between the two tangents here is 90 degree. That means they are perpendicular to each other. Clear? Now next question. It is also based upon the tangents on the circle. It is given if these two lines are the two tangents on a circle and we have to find the radius of the circle. Whenever there are two tangents on a circle, they are apart from each other, and between them, the distance between them is the distance equal to diameter. And for the radius, we have to just find the distance between them and make the half of it. Now, these two lines behave as a parallel lines. So, distance between two parallel lines, we have the formula for that. C1 minus C2 over under root A square plus B square. We have to use this formula in order to find the radius of the circle for this equation. Okay. Now observe the two equations which are given of the tangent. 5x minus 12y plus 10 is equal to 0. Here we have 12y minus 5x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now rearrange it in this way so that the coefficients must be equal. So now it becomes, it is minus 5x. So make it 5x by multiplying with minus 1. Here 12y is minus 12y. It is plus 16, so it becomes minus 16. Clear? Just arrange the two lines in this way that the coefficients of x and y become equal. Now the value for C1 10, C2 is minus 16. So they get add up. And under root A square plus B square, that is 5 square plus 12 square. Clear? So this is the value of the diameter. Now we have 26 over, here we have 25 plus 144, 169, that is 13. So it is get cancelled, it is 2. So the value for diameter is 2. So the value for radius is 2 by 2, that is 1. Or you can also elaborate here, the radius of the circle, formula for that is into 1 by 2. Clear? In this way you can find the radius of the circle. If the two tangents or the two lines, they are going along the circle with touching the circle, then we can find the radius of circle with this formula. Clear? Now there's another question. Now the same type of question is there. The question may be in this way. If 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, 6x minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0 are touching a circle. Find the radius of the circle. Again, you just make the coefficients equal. So we can write it in this way. 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here we have divided by 2. We have 3x minus 4y minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. Now the radius of the circle is equals to 1 by 2 C1 minus C2, that is 5 plus 9 by 2. We take the mod, don't take the negative value. We take the positive values. 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16. Square of A square, square of B square. Clear? Now we have, after solving this, 5 2s are 10, 19 by 2. And here we have 25, that is 5. So overall we have 19 over 2 2s are 4 5s are 20. Now just divide it, 0.9, 1.9 over 2, that means we have 2 9s are 18, 119, 0.95. This is the radius of the circle. Now I am going to take the last question of the topic tangent, and in the next video I will make the topic, the equation of the chord, and whether the points are inside the circle or outside the circle, and how many tangents are there in the common, how many common tangents are there when two circles touch each other. So please watch that video. Also after some time I will make them, upload them, that video after a little bit of time. So this video is totally dedicated to the topic how to find the tangent of the equation of tangents for the circle. And this topic is very important. So in the examinations, please revise this topic before going to the examination hall. Thank you. And I'm going to take the last question. Just watch it, then close the video.